Hey, and welcome to day 1 of the 21-day English Shadowing Challenge. If you want to speak English more clearly, more confidently, and without always thinking too much, you're in the right place. In this challenge, we'll practice speaking together, every single day, using short, real English sentences that people actually use. And today, we're starting with something simple and familiar. Your morning routine. And I guarantee you that by the end of this video you will improve your English, so stay with me, and also stay till the end of the video because you will get many bonuses that you will surely regret if you miss. But how will you learn English with me? I'll speak one sentence at a time. You just listen, pause, and repeat it after me, out loud. This is called shadowing. It's like following my voice, step by step. It's one of the best ways to speak more naturally, because your brain and mouth learn to work together. You don't have to memorize anything. You don't have to speak fast. Just focus on listening clearly and repeating with the same tone and feeling. Now, here are a few things to keep in mind. Don't worry about grammar. Don't be scared to make mistakes. Don't stop if it feels strange at first. That's normal. The more you speak, the more confident you'll feel. And if you keep going for 21 days, I promise, your English will feel easier, and your words will start to flow. So let's begin with something we all do every day. Waking up, brushing, getting ready, and starting the day. This is your morning routine in English, in 25 short, useful, and simple sentences. Are you ready to improve your English in less than 10 minutes? Repeat after me, and let's get started. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed slowly. I get out of bed slowly. I fold my blanket and keep it properly. I fold my blanket and keep it properly. I open the windows to let fresh air in. I open the windows to let fresh air in. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with water. I wash my face with water. I take a shower. I take a shower. I wipe my face and hands with a towel. I wipe my face and hands with a towel. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I apply some cream or lotion. I apply some cream or lotion. I change into clean clothes. I change into clean clothes. I make my bed neat and tidy. I make my bed neat and tidy. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I prepare my breakfast. I prepare my breakfast. I usually eat something simple like toast or eggs. I usually eat something simple like toast or eggs. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. Sometimes I also have tea or milk. Sometimes I also have tea or milk. After breakfast, I wash the dishes. After breakfast, I wash the dishes. I check my bag and pack what I need for the day. I check my bag and pack what I need for the day. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I check the time to make sure I'm not late. I check the time to make sure I'm not late. I take everything I need before leaving. I take everything I need before leaving. Then I go out and start my day. Then I go out and start my day. And that's it for day 1 of our English shadowing challenge. Well done. Remember, the more you speak, the more natural English becomes. To make your practice even better, I've added some helpful bonuses just for you. Backhand index pointing right bonus 1. Full transcript. You can read the full script of today's episode. This helps you understand the structure, spelling, and flow of every sentence. Backhand index pointing right bonus 2. Vocabulary list. I've listed all the useful words and phrases from today's session, along with easy meanings and example sentences. So you're not just repeating, you're also understanding. Backhand index pointing right bonus 3. Audio download. Want to practice anytime, anywhere, even without internet? You can download the audio and shadow with me while walking, cooking, or commuting. These bonuses are made to help you learn faster and speak better. You'll find the links in the description or show notes below. And now, a quick look at day 2. Tomorrow, we'll practice a very common situation. Ordering food and drinks in English. At a cafe, restaurant, or even at home. You'll learn how to order politely, confidently, and naturally, just like native speakers do. So don't miss it. Keep practicing. And I'll see you in day 2 of the challenge. Bye for now. And keep speaking English every day.